Hey there, it's Pete with GCI Turf. I hope you're having a fantastic day today. Does that sound right? Fantastic.
A ventrastic day.
A ventrastic.
Ventrastic.
That's it. Yeah. Hey there, it's Pete with GCI Turf. I hope you're having a ventrastic day today. I'm up here in Ohio, and I got an invite from my buddy Aaron to come check out the Ventrac facility. I get nervous doing this while y'all. So check this out. I get asked a lot of times, well, just what kind of hill can you put that Ventrac on, or how steep can you put the vent? I'm trying to think how I want to say it. That truck messed me up. A lot of traffic in and out right here, so I get asked a lot of times, well, how steep of a hill will that Ventrac go up and down? So I really hadn't had the opportunity back home to put it on anything super steep, so I'm going to show you what a real 30-degree hill looks like and just how easily that machine will go up and down. All right, so here you go. This right here is what an actual 30-degree slope looks like. You can see I got the machine sitting right here, and it's just barely getting started, and look how much it's tilted. So what I'm gonna do right here, now this isn't my Ventrac, this is one they have up here at the plant they're letting me use, and I'm gonna get up here on this hill, and I'm gonna show you just how easily this thing will stick to it, and just how safe it is. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna back up, and I'm just gonna come right, you stay right where you're at, and I'm gonna come right beside you and come up on the hill. Hey.
Aaron, sounds like you're getting a little wild up there.
Look at it.
And you're not doing a good job. All this needs to be in the video. Come on now.
I'm videoing.
Yeah.
Oh, like all right now, yeah.
So that's actually the very first true 30-degree slope I've ever been on.
Yeah.
It's
How'd it feel?
I've been on a lot of equipment, and I usually don't get a little shaky, but coming down the hill, it's steep.
Yeah.
30 degrees is quite steep.
Yeah, when you're there, you know it. It's not.
Yeah. But at the same time, not one time did I ever feel like I was going to fall out of the machine's going to turn over. You don't worry about that. It's very stable.
Good, okay.
Unfortunately, we have to use this hill for test stuff when it's raining sometimes.
Oh, yeah.
So like all these spots.
Oh yeah,
it just happens. On a 30-degree hill like that, when you're using it every week for testing and training.
We are still a little wet right now anyway.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, you can see.
Yeah, right there. You can even see
you guys have gotten
spots.
a lot of rain lately.
A lot.
I actually turned around last night to go back to help a dude. He was on the X mark stand on, and he got stuck in the field.
Did you really?
And I went back to help him, and he even got it out.
That's awesome.
Mowing out in a big
That's another thing. When we get comments on YouTube that are like, I mowed that with my zero turn, or I mowed like 35
no, you
degrees.
didn't.
And I'm like, literally, you
No, you
didn't
didn't.
though? Like, no, you did not.
At a certain point, you have to be like,
and that's the thing, man.
Yeah.
And
Whatever.
And I wasn't really skeptical because I understand equipment. I've been on equipment all my life. I know the capability of what something can do and what something can't do.
Yeah.
And until a zero-turn mower operator sits his butt in the seat, he don't have a clue.
Nope.
It's that easy.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's no way.
They won't when they see it.
In a
Nope.
good conscience, I will not let one of my employees mow that hill with any zero-turn or any stand-on that I own. Hey, I won't do it. As daredevilish as I am, no way. No way. But I'll do it on this thing.
Put your seatbelt on.
And then you do your thing, I will like work around you.
Okay.
Yep. Because like at this point I've got what I need.
Okay.
So like really.
All right. Wow. Hey, Aaron.
Yeah, there's a lot. Hey, Aaron.
Nice to meet you.
And I'm sure I can't wait to see the video that you come up with.
Oh yeah.
Thank you so
It'll make
much
it look
for
good.
coming
Thank you.
and for doing all the video stuff.
Thank you.
Spur of the moment. So.
This is so cool.
Yeah.
I love that hill.
It's really awesome.
Yeah.
You want to go up?
Why not? I don't. No.
All right, so there you go. That's what a real 30-degree hill looks like. And I just want to thank Ventrac and Aaron and all the folks here for letting me and my wife come up and check this out. And I'd say it's a pretty cool experience. And man, get your Ventrac right. That's about all I can say.